Hey traders, still get messages of people wanting to do this 2-minute/5-minute strategy, and I've tried very hard to show people how to do it, and people are still not understanding. This is going to be my last video on it. If you don't get it, then I don't know what else I can do, because to me this is the most simplest strategy ever. You have three moving averages lines, 26, right? 14, and it's the blue line 6. So what you want, the blue line is the trigger line. The blue line crosses the yellow line, okay? The red line confirms the direction. So the red line is underneath the yellow and the blue crossing the yellow, which means it's a put, sell, trade. Okay? You wait, if you're on 2 minutes, then you wait to the end of the 2-minute candle that crosses, right? If it's this one here, then you're taking this trade here. If the blue line crossed on this candle, then you're waiting, then you take it on this candle. Okay? This here is one of the most important things. The MACD must have crossed over at some point. So now the blue trigger line on the MACD is underneath the red line. You don't need this, so don't ask me about it. It's just an extra double confirmation, and I'm trying a different strategy out at the same time. But that's saying the same thing. So this is a confirmed trade. You take it for 1 candle expiry, whether you're doing 2 minutes or 1 hour, 5 minutes, whatever. Right? So it's either this candle here, depending on when the blue line crossed fully over the yellow line, not touching, as you can see here. Right? You see how it's like it come down and then it's took off again, come down and then took off again, right? You have to wait for it to cross, okay, or otherwise it's not confirmed. So a lot of you people, I think, are getting in too early and just assuming that it's going to cross, and then it pulls back on you and you bugger it up, right? So once again, this is the directional confirmation. This is the directional confirmation. The blue line is the trigger line and must cross the yellow line. So if it's crossing down, you have this underneath as a confirmation. You have the blue line has crossed under on the MACD, then it's either this candle or this candle. Okay, same with a call. We have a look here. I actually wouldn't take this because it hasn't fully crossed, but it was still a winner. This is also a mess. I wouldn't have taken anything here. Wouldn't taken anything there. Even though that was a winner, it's not confirmed. Even though the MACD did cross. You've got to stick to the rules. You're going to have to go back this way. Right, it's not a confirmed trade. Yeah. Even though we've got crossing and we've got the directional above and at 1, it hasn't quite crossed by the time that it happened. So good trade. No, it's not a good trade. It's a risky trade, but it won. And this here also fully crossed. No. That's why I'm saying it's like sometimes to get once you get all the rules right though, it works well. Here's another downward one. This is perfect. Alright. Blue's crossed, yellow, red underneath, MACD's crossed. Winner, 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 no matter which one you took. Yeah, this one's alright, I think. It's crossed back here. Okay, so MACD fully crosses. Everything's in line, so you're taking that trade or that trade. Okay, for wins. As you can see, there's a lot of setups that don't quite meet the thing and they win, but they're risky. You can take them if you want, but as I said, my high success rate has come from just taking setups that meet all my rules. Okay, so once again, my rules are MACD cross, yellow. Yeah, sorry about that, guy. My daughter just came in the room. Yeah. So anyway, so if you can understand that, hopefully, your trading will improve using this strategy. This is going to be definitely the last time I do an explanation video on this. I don't know how to explain it anymore, but in detail. If I haven't explained it properly and you just can't get the hang of this, then there's really no more point me trying to do anything, because I think I'm explaining it pretty well. So once again, MACD crosses, trigger line crosses yellow, red's above, so it's a call or a buy trade. As it crosses, it's this candle here or that candle. Always take it at the start of the candle, not in the between the candles, because as you can see, you might take it on this candle, but then it finishes on this candle, but it might finish down here somewhere. So always take it on the start of the candle. Alright, that's all I've got. Hopefully that's helped is all. Thanks.